I bought the Airpods cleaner so you didn't have to see if this product is worth buying. I bought mine off Amazon for $10 AUD, which I'll leave a link in the description for. So here we have the Airpods cleaner. It is about a quarter smaller than a regular pen. I don't know, around the same weight as a pen. I don't know if that matters or not. And yeah, that's pretty much the exterior of it. Anyway, if we open up the lid, we have somewhat of a needle, which is used to remove earwax, as well as removing dust from small edges of the Airpods case. You can also use the next tool, which is the brush, to wipe off whatever you cleared with a needle. You can also use this brush all over the Airpods, because since it's a brush, it's not going to scratch it. So you can do this over the filter and all the speakers, including removing the earwax. So if we remove this top part, we have the dust remover. Pretty much you can use this for all the Airpods case because it just gets rid of dirt and dust quite easily. I probably recommend using this tool last because it gets rid of the easy dust that's still on the case. If you don't like holding the middle of the cleaner, you can put it back in its holder, where you can face it any way upwards, depending on what tool you're using, and it just gives you a better grip. And once you're done with that, you can put the lid back on. Whoops, wrong way. And you're done. So overall, I would rate this 8.5 out of 10. I just wish there was a bit more of a sharper tool to get rid of that really stubborn dust that's on the case. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you later.